everyone, welcome to another amazing and very interesting, awesome platform, one and only my channel. So here is I am talking about Sudi AI. This is basically here you have to alleviate your music creation using your our community model, and here you have to customize our models to your unique sound. So here I tell you how you can create music from a simple text, and this is very interesting for those who listen this music. And so now you have to don't miss any part of the video. You have to stay tuned with the last of the video. Here I will tell you how you have to connect your wallet and how you can generate your music on. So before starting the video, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos. So guys, let's go. Here is I'm talking about AI platform Sudi AI, where you have to text to the music, and this is the AI music generation, guys, where you can transform your ideas into unique musical experience like with our AI power generation system. So here you have to guys simply connect your wallet, which wallet like Phantom Trust, MetaMask, which have Solana. Blockchain. So where you have to connect your wallet, and then you can start right here now. And here now we talk about you can create your own and trade experience of any of the future of music creations or ownerships. Now so you can check out these sounds, and here you can create your own music. Right here you can see that all of these discoveries of so guys, here you can check out library followings and further our updates, and here you can check out our all of the musics of Sudi. So here you have to create your account, and you have to start your work right now. And guys, what you can do, you can create your own music. You can also trade here, experience the future of music and creation, and also ownership. We have to AI generation, where you can create your unique tracks using your advanced AI music generation technologies, and you can also choose your custom styles, which type of sound you want. Here is also mint your generated music like as NFTs, and you can share with all of the words. And here you can also you buy or sell. You can trade your music. It's on to you, and here you have to also check out our AI generated tracks, where is simple tracks created that's by our AI music generation technologies. Here you can check out all of our tunes, that is Nostalgia, Alpha Queen, Interphonia. So it's on to you. You have to check this, and you have to join right here now. Now, if we talk about our major websites, where as I tell you, I show you that how you have to create. You can check out all of these our libraries. So guys, you have to just don't miss this golden opportunity. Take the advantages of this artificial intelligence to boost your productivity in your music creation process right here now. And you have to join right here now. These of the and before going there, our services, I have to say that you have to must join our Telegram community. This is our Telegram community, where you have to get our latest news and updations, and you have to also check out. You have to must follow our Twitter official account, CDA agent. That and here you can check out. We have almost 53% burn, and this is basically redefining creativity, blockchain AI, and future of music starts right here now. And you have to compose the future of music, and this is basically powered of crypto. And here is our latest announcement, and here you can also check out our partnerships with Mario Naufel, and here you can see that all of our partners. You can check out all of our tutorial videos, very beautiful overviews of influencers, biggest influencer, and here you can check out also our Amazon live sessions of CDAI. So you have to join here right now. You have to stay connected on our all of the official accounts like our Twitter, our Telegram, and here you have to start your journey right now. Guys, now we talk about let's what's basically our services, our features. Here is also you can mint your NFT, also link optimization wizard. You can boost your visibility, advanced tools, and community driven models. This is basically, and here is also our revenue sharing, that totally transparent. And here is you have to just one click for optimizations and personal AI agents that will be coming soon. And here is also our these are the our exclusive partners that are supporting us. So guys, here we can talk about our market cap on the DEX screener, and here is all of our official links like our website, our Twitter, our Telegram is available. Now we talk about our current price, which is 0.01633 USDT, and here you can buy this at early price, and then you can get a lot of profit after a few days, some days. And here if we check about their current price, it will be bluish, completely bluish after joining with you, and it will be pump soon, and you have to also invite your family and friends here. And here you can also see top traders transactions, which you can see on my screen. And guys, here you have to also check out our market cap and our total volume here. And here you have to join, and I recommend you to, you have to must join. You have to also invite your family and friends at this awesome platform. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.